My friend Joe Vitale recently shared this great quote with me from Arnold Patent. We don't create abundance. Abundance is always present. We create limitation. And so we want to clear that limitation, and therefore the abundance is available to us. So we often avoid abundance because we have fears about why it might not be safe to have it, and tapping helps clear the stress that comes from that fear. So go ahead and tap where I tap and repeat back what I say, and please take full responsibility for your own well being. Even though I limit my abundance, I choose to love and accept myself. Even though I am limiting my abundance, I choose to love and honor myself. Even though I am limiting my abundance in all kinds of different ways, it might be an abundance of money, it might be an abundance of love, but abundance is always present. And I might be creating some limitation. And I choose to knock that off. And even though I create limitation, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself, and maybe anyone else who might contribute to this. All this limitation that I create, all the ways that I limit abundance because of fear of abundance, which may not make sense, but my mind is not always logical. Part of me cannot understand why I would ever create limitation. Other parts of me have all kinds of reasons. Some parts of me feel that it's absolutely necessary to create limitation. I need to limit my abundance. All this fear of not limiting my abundance. All this fear of having unlimited abundance. I mean, where would I put it all? There may be all kinds of things I'm afraid of. And even though I create limitation, I choose to love and appreciate those parts of me that believe that that is necessary for my survival. All these fears about what might happen if I didn't create limitation, if I allowed myself to more fully experience abundance. Maybe I allow certain kinds of abundance, but others I need to limit. And I'm allowing myself to process those fears and get curious about why they're there. If I am indeed creating limitation, Why? Why do I feel a need to do that? I'm allowing myself to get curious about that. I'm allowing myself to reconsider that. I'm allowing myself to see where there may have been misunderstandings. And then I can clear those misunderstandings. Clearing the confusion that has caused this limitation. Clearing that stuff at a cellular level. Clearing it all the way back through my past. Back through all the times in my life where I somehow got the message that I should create limitation, that I shouldn't allow myself to see the abundance, or I should even deny its existence, which is one way of creating limitation. Allowing myself to be free from that. Clearing my fears of abundance. Allowing myself to know that abundance is my birthright. Clearing my need to create limitation. I'll still have common sense. I can find better ways to protect myself. So I'm setting myself free to allow greater abundance in body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. Let it go. Absolutely be compassionate with that past self that has created limitation based on old misunderstandings, and set yourself free to acknowledge and experience the abundance that is here for you. And as you do so, it allows you to share that abundance with others and help them see it and help them knock off all that limitation creation. And yeah, it's a win-win situation. So thanks for doing that. And when other stuff might get in the way, I'm here for you. Thanks.